This is the SKB Roto-Molded Cymbal Vault. This fits up to 22 inches, and I've had this particular cymbal vault for over 7 years. 7 years, I've never had a single issue with this. I've never had a problem with it closing, it deforming. I've left it in trailers for long amounts of time, in heat, in snow. They've been thrown into trucks. It's been taken out of trucks, into trailers, all over the place. Never once have I had a cymbal get damaged because of the vault in any way, or had the vault itself break in any way. As you can see, I've got scratches and stuff all over this guy. It's been jammed into tons of vehicles, but never once is anything broken. Even the clasp here, this clasp is plastic, but it's never broken. It sits kind of in here to where I don't have to worry about it. Now, real quick, one note about this guy is it's about 24.5 inches wide and about from the handle, and the handle is roto-molded up there. So it's about, about 26.5 inches tall. So if you're looking for the dimensions, if you need to fit this in some particular place, that's about how tall and wide this thing is. And deep, when it's closed, is about 5 3/4 inches deep. So with that said, let's go ahead and look inside of it. So you take the strap here, you unclip it, you pull it open, and then you've got this guy. Now, you've got a metal kind of screw in the middle here, and you can spin this off really quick. It comes with this guy, a piece of metal, and then a felt that go on top of the cymbals. You get 4 dividers here, so 1, 2, 3, 4 dividers. Then inside you have this piece of kind of plastic / nylon that the cymbals go over to protect it from kind of rubbing against the metal in there, and then a piece of bottom felt. As you can see, here's a piece of metal, and it's really sunken in there. So this thing isn't breaking off, it's not falling out. And then you have this bag right here, and it's a piece of Velcro that holds it down. I love to put my hi-hat clutch, some wing nuts, and a bunch of cymbal felts in there, just so I had extra stuff with my cymbal case in the event that somehow I forgot it or what have you. Again, I've had this for a long time. I've had tons of cymbals in here. It says this thing is rated for up to 8 cymbals. I think I've had about that amount in here. One quick note you want to pay attention to. When you're loading this thing up, you absolutely want your biggest cymbal at the bottom, and you stack your way to the top with the smaller. So like, you'd want to put your ride in here first, then your crashes, then whatever is the smallest cymbal last. That way you can get the most room out of this guy, and you're able to put this back on and really crank it down for a safe journey. Now, the other thing is, since you have 4 of these dividers, you can get up to 5 different cymbals completely protected from each other in here. And these do fit over this plastic sleeve that goes in here. So if I really quick reassemble this guy, I'm not going to get these straight in there right away. But that's what you have here. I've had this thing for a long time, and it's blown my mind. Guys, it was well worth putting my cymbals in here. It has always protected them for me. So if you're in the market for a solid cymbal vault, and it is a vault, it protects them, it allows you to take them anywhere you need to. This thing's awesome. I highly recommend it.